In this video, we're going to dial 3 crucial rock and blues tones using 2 different methods and put them head to head. Using the knob of a Les Paul, you can get a dynamic range of tones at the flick of the switch. A volume knob for each pickup and a combination switch can allow you to achieve the dynamics of a pedal board. For round 1, I will start by playing into a clean amp, then I'll add a Mojo Mojo as my overdrive and a tube screamer to boost it. On the second round, I will try and simulate these same tones by using just the settings on the Les Paul into an already overdriven amp. And then you've got your crunch, your stomp box, your... And then your third tone that most people are going to want is a boost for the leads. Boom, let's put it on. So the idea is pretty simple. I'm going to start with a dirty overdrive tone and use one of the volume knobs, in this case on the neck pickup, to clean up the tone. The other pickup, the bridge pickup, is going to be dimed all the way up. So I can start with a clean tone on the neck pickup, switch to a crunchy combination, or go all the way down to the bridge pickup for a hot lead tone. Let's see if the volume knobs and use of this switch can simulate the dynamics of the pedal board. So here's my clean. Now crunch. To lead. So what do you guys think? I guess the pedals might have sounded a little bit better, but the point is, in a pinch, you can make it work with just a Les Paul. I'm demonstrating with a pretty small amp in this video, but I'm telling you, with a large half stack totally cranked, this method works great. One of my favorite examples among many is Since I've Been Loving You by Led Zeppelin. In the live video you can see him shredding and cleaning it up really smooth, just with the volume, tone, and 3-way switch controls of the Les Paul.